You guys, been a while since we updated this channel, but today got an install for you on the TSX. I'll show you in a minute what it is. Just hope you guys enjoy the video. So yeah, today we're going to be installing one of these guys on the TSX. But I already opened the box already, so everything's out of its packages and stuff. So trust me when I say these came in plastic bags, everything well protected. I got this from Heel Toe Auto, which is a website. We'll put the link in the description. But yeah, everything came how it was supposed to. So we got the air filter right here, nice cone air filter blue, and the two pieces pipe, and we got couplers right here, and yeah, that's pretty much what came. And it came really packaged well, so I don't think you guys got to be worried about anything. This is just a clamp for that. But so I'm gonna head into the garage and take out the stock airbox and show you guys where each bolt is located, what needs to come out, and then we'll get to putting in the intake. That was scary as fuck. But anyways, so for this procedure, the bumper does need to come off. So yeah, it's pretty simple. You guys can go online and check how to do it. It's really simple. It's literally 2 screws on the side here, a couple of clips up here and down. There's no problem at all. Alright, with the bumper off now, you can start getting to work. So pretty much what we got to disconnect, I'll show you guys what we got to disconnect, and as I go, I'll show you each process. So we got to get that out, that little Phillips head right there that's connected from the hose to the throttle body. And to make life easier, we gotta disconnect this huge black air box here. So that, I believe, is a 10 mil. That has to be unscrewed. I don't think it has to be unscrewed all the way because it's a little, oh, maybe it does. But should be able to slide out. And there's one back there too. Mine was pretty, oh, you guys can't see it, but mine was pretty rusted, so it took me quite a bit. I had to move my fender liner. You can see how much rust came off of that. So I just try to break that, not break it, but take it off. And yeah, so I just disconnected the battery so that way it's easier to work around the small parts that I gotta get to. I'm gonna start with that 10 mil bolt down there, and there's one right there as well. Disconnect that and then start at the bottom. So after half an hour pulling out the airbox, the only really annoying thing was getting these hoses to come out. It's just it was really stuck on there, so I have to tug it a bit. Twisting and turning helped a lot. Just twisting it and pulling it out. So other than that, I think we're ready to install the intake now. This is what I have so far, guys. It's almost there. I got the mount on right here on top of the battery tie down, couplers on here. This hose that was there earlier is now on the intake, and all I have left to do is just put the vacuum hose on, and the next part would be getting the additional pipe to go down there. Okay guys, this is the finished product. I didn't connect the battery yet though, but wait on that. So I got the vacuum hose on. Again, the little support there on as well. This is focus. Yeah. And there's another one down there that you're supposed to put in as well. So you got that in there. So make sure your connections are tight. The filter's on. And everything's looking good. So we'll start her up and see how she sounds.
Girls, I got a load of them. Yeah. Why you always say ain't go and get you some? Girl, why you always tripping when snuff.